Hello students, welcome to SKITRE. Here I am going to show you how to use our debate dojo. So let's consider you all have already purchased our debate dojo. So first of all, click on practice tools, then search for debate dojo here, then click on view button. As you click on view button, it will navigate us to its instructive page. Here some instructions are given for using this dojo. Either you can listen to the instructions, then click on start button. As you click on start button, it will navigate us to its category page. Here select any category you want to practice. For example, technology versus human. As we click on this category, it will navigate us to its scenario page. Here some scenarios are given. Then click on this scenario field.
The internet has become a huge and basic.
So here some information about this scenario is given. Read this information carefully. Either you can listen. Then here some options are provided. First one is for, which is for debating in favor of the statement, and second one is against, which is for debating against to the statement. For now I am selecting for, then click on continue button. As you click on continue button,
a new way of
here your opponent saying this statement, and here some sample answers also provided as a reference purpose. Then click on record my answer for recording your answer. The internet is definitely curbing our creativity as children and adults have stopped thinking. Here, transcript also given, and our recorded answer is displayed here. And if you are not satisfied with this answer, you can again record your answer. For example, the internet is definitely curbing our creativity as children and adults have stopped thinking and use their creative side by searching for things on the internet. So it will replace the previous answer with new one. Then click on save and continue button and practice
creative ideas need stimulus.
and practice all the questions as we practiced previously. Creativity needs thinking and imagining things, but the advent of the internet, the thinking capacity has been reduced.
Searching for varied options for any topic broadens your mind.
The internet has increased the copy and paste mentality of kids and adults.
It is easier to get varied views on the internet, and that helps in creativity, of the world for learning.
Studying, reading books and articles, and discussing with people helps in increasing creativity. So, in this way, we have to practice for debate dojo. If you want to practice against to the statement, just select the against option on its informative page and proceed. Thank you.